Hello friends, today we will see how to use input function in Python. In earlier sessions we have seen how to use print statement. Now we are going to use input function in Python. So in any programming language when you want to take user input, so you should have input function. So for example in Python I have this input function, input. This is the function is used to take input from the user. Now this input function is having one argument that is called prompt message to user. For example, I want to give message to user that enter some value. In that way, I can write this input function. Now whatever the user is inputting the value, we should receive somewhere, so that we are receiving in this a variable. Okay, in that way we can use this input function. Now if I run this program, print a, I am taking, I want to show on console whatever the value entered by the user. So if I run this code, now it is showing the prompt message. Now it is printing the whatever value I have entered. In this way you can use this input function. Now for now I want to process this input function. Total is equal to a plus 10 I am doing. So and print total I am doing. Now if I run this code, I have to save first. Now if I enter value 100, it is giving me error, can only concatenate str to str. So what is issue here? So whatever the input value entered by this input function, its default data type is string data type. So if I check here, print type of a, and I will comment out this code for now because it is creating error. So if I run this program, so if I give value 100, so it is giving class str. Always remember in Python everything is object. So if I check value data type of this entered value, so it is giving me, because of that it is giving me class str. So if you want to take integer value, a number value from user, you have to typecast this input function. Typecasting means deliberately you are changing its data type. We will see these things in detail in future lectures. So now I want to convert that input value to integer. So because of that I have used this int function. So it will convert whatever value entered by user into integer value. Now I will again run this program, giving 100. Now it is working fine because now data type it is showing integer, and I have processed that integer value, added 10 to it, and I am getting output as 110. So in this way you can use this input function in Python. So remember that the default data type of this, whatever the value entered by this input function, is string, and whatever data you want in that data type you want, you have to convert that into that data type using explicit typecasting. We will see that in future. That is what is meant by explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.